lecture, I will humbly request all of you to understand the concept of Power Query effectively. It's better please go through the part 1 of Power Query. So those who have already gone through, now today I'm going to tell how to implement that particular concepts. So let's little bit recap. So in previous lecture, I've talked about the Power BI will be comprised of four basic steps. In first step, we will talk about the type of data or the number of files that we want to connect for making different type of visualization. Once the file will be connected, now the next step is clean. So cleaning, as I've already told, we talk about if there is some noisy data, if there is some missing data, if you want to change header name. So all these things we will do in cleaning part. After cleaning, the third part is transformation of the data. The transformation means to reshape your data. So reshaping we'll talk about. Sometimes we want to merge two columns. Sometimes we want to split two columns. Sometimes we want to do grouping of our data. So all these parts will take place in transform, and then finally we will go to the load part. So that is the process we normally follow. So So these are the options. Once we will start, or we will see very frequently or very quickly that how to do transformation in Power BI. So once you will click on transformation option, so these are the things you people can do. For example, we can change data type, we can rename our column, we can split column. Sometimes suppose our column will be comprised of first name and last name, so we can split the one column into two parts. Then one column will take last name and the second will take first name. Sometimes we want to merge two columns, so suppose last name first name are separate and we want to keep both the names in a single column, then we will use merge columns. There is one more important concept of group by. So there are many options. So these are the text functions. You can say these are the functions related to tables. We can do transpose of our data. So there are many options. I will talk two and three basic options in this particular video. So to understand, suppose this is the small data set I have taken, and if you will see in that particular data set, that last name and first name of the customer or person is available in separate column. So I want to transform that particular data set, and I want to merge last name or first name. Means we want to display both last name and first name into a single column. So let's see how to perform that transformation in Power BI. So let's quickly start the Power BI. So I'm going to Power BI. So this is the window. So go to import Excel, or you can go from that place also. And our table name is person table. So the same table which I have shared. So just select that particular table, click on open, and you will see your table will be open very shortly. So these are the normal steps which I have already shared. But the thing which we need to understand from this particular place is important. So once the file will be ready, okay, fine. So file is ready. So I will select my sheet. So till now, whatever lecture I have prepared or I have shared in this particular series of Power BI, we are just selecting the sheet and click on load option. Now we will not directly go to the load. So before loading our file, we will do transformation of our data. So I will not click on load. In place of load, I will click on transform data. So if I will click on transform data, so here you will see that last name, first name are in separate column. And the agenda, as I've already shared, I want to merge these two columns. So that is, we want to do transformation in our data set. So for that, I will go to transform data, and you will see the same screen is visible now. Correct. So this is the transform. Click on transform option. So as I have already shared, this is the transform option. Okay, so you can see the same skill transpose, group by, you can change your data type. Take, there are many trigonometric functions are there, statistical functions are there. Split column is there. So what we want to do, we want to merge these two particular column, that is the last name and first name. So for that, what I will do, I will select both the columns while keeping the control key press select both the columns. Again, I am repeating, while keeping the control key pressed, click on both the columns and it will be selected. Once it will be selected, we people need to go on the merge column. So you will see that merge column is this particular option. So select on merge column. Now as soon as you will click on merge column, it will ask you want to merge by using which separator. Thick means if you will club these two columns, whether you want colon between these two values, whether you want comma, whether you want equal. So normally when we want to represent last name or first name, we prefer to give space. Here you will see space. The space means I want to give space between both the values of last name and first name while getting the merge value. So click on space and then click on OK option. As soon as you will click, you will see that both the columns have been merged. And since I have selected the space, so you will see there is a space between both the columns. So transformation have already been done. One more thing, whatever steps you will apply on your data set during transformation, it will automatically create list of this. So you will see that I have created merged column option I have selected. So it has already created. If you want to undo that, simply if you will click on that particular option, it will automatically undo. You will see now I'm getting the same file again. So let's go to the merge column. I merge, select space and click on OK. Okay. So once that particular thing been done, the important steps is now whatever changes you have done, you have to save that particular option. So for save, everybody please go to file, and here you will get the option close and apply. Apply because I want before you will close, please apply whatever changes I have done. I will select, and now the things have already been applied. Correct. Now whatever data you want to make, you can make. For that you can go to that particular view. It means you will go to the dashboard view or you will go to the visualization view, and your file will automatically ready for visualization. You can see now it's loading our file. So means whatever changes we people have done, it's storing all these changes into our file. Correct. So this is a very simple steps to do transformation. So I hope that part is clear to all of you. uh, so thank you so much.